just can't put my finger on it. Why? Why are plant cells? I just know they are, but it's just weird to my mind. But hey, bro, why are you pushing me? First of all, dude, I'm not your bro, okay? And second of all, BTW, I was just like thinking about how plant cells are so much better than animal cells. Like, don't you agree? Like, how plant cells...
No, I don't agree. Are you stupid? Animal cells are way better.
No, man, don't call me stupid, okay? Look, man. Plant cells are so much better. You know why?
I'm from the hood, bro. You don't know where I come from.
Tussle! You have us here live on 0.5 Action News. We have breaking news for you, fellow news watchers, and the people that will be explaining it will be
John
and Johnny.
Oh, our breaking news today was two boys that were in a fight yesterday. They were fighting over which was better, plant cells or animal cells. Those dummies. Yes. They ended up fighting and killing each other. And we have a picture of one of the gangsters here.
What a shame.
His name was Daquan.
Small boy, very small.
Only 16. Rest in peace, Daquan. Okay. So, those of you viewers who think Daquan was right and because he thought animal cells were better.
And those of you that thought Philip was right and he thought that plant cells were better,
you guys are both wrong. Plant cells and animal cells both have their... And those similarities are mitochondria, cytoplasm, smooth ER, nucleus, nucleolus, ribosome, and rough ER.
and the ones that plant cells are different from animal cells are cell wall, cell membrane, vacuole, nuclear membrane, chloroplast, amyloplast, centrosome, and that's it.
And the animal cells, the difference for animal cells are it has a lysosome, a free ribosome, a central, a plasma membrane, a chromatine, a nuclear pore, and nuclear envelope.
Those are the similarities and differences of animals and plant cells. And right now, since we had time, we're going to tell you a fun fact or two. Back to you, John.
Okay, thank you, Johnny. Okay, for those of you who does not know what a cytoplasm, I will teach you something today. A cytoplasm is a thick gelatin-like material contained with the cell membrane. Most of the work is carried out, the cell is carried out in the cytoplasm. And those of you who does not know what a cell membrane is, I will teach you another thing. My friend Johnny will teach you another thing.
A cell membrane. What do you think a cell membrane is?
See, I don't know, Johnny. Tell us.
Yes, I will, John. And I think a cell membrane is the outer boundary of a cytoplasm, a layer that controls what enters and leaves.